Here's Bowser and Keiko. Floyd? Floyd? Oh, Bowser, you're running away! No! Keiko wants to play! Good girl, Keiko! Get her, Bowser! Get her, Bowser! Floyd! Oh, they're just little balls of fluff. Keiko! Get her, Bowser! Good job. There's Stevie. Stevie likes Bowser too. He's like